Greetings, 6th and 7th graders. This year we are going to be downloading Google Drive onto our computers so that we can save work that's not done on the web and into a folder that will automatically sync our files, class folders, images, and other types of files up onto the cloud. In order to do this, we're going to type into the address bar of Chrome, our browser of choice here at the Meadow School. And type that in and hit enter, and up pops the login screen. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my full email address. And then we're going to come to the single sign-on, and here we're just going to use our username, which is the beginning name and not the @ plus our domain name. Put in our password. And here we have a space that's going to provide a list of folders that you create for computers class, and if you'd like, you can save your class folders such as science, history, English, etc. And what we want to do first is go over to the settings gear and let's click on the Experience New Drive option. Why? Because it's the latest and greatest user experience that Google is providing for us, and as the saying goes, do at least one thing every day that scares you. So we have a different kind of user experience here, and we will be exploring that. What we have over here to the right is a list of history or activity. If we toggle onto the eye there, the information, we can see stuff that has been happening within our Google Drive, and also too what other people have been doing. For instance, work that perhaps has been shared with me. I'm not seeing much over here right now, but you can turn that off right there by hitting the eye on the icon. Next, I'd like for you to click on the New button. Come over here to New, and we are going to create a new folder. And up pops this dialog box, and we want to name the folder. And we want to do this by starting with your period number. So for instance, if you're period 1, you're going to type in the number 1, and then put in your last name and put a space, and then your last name. Mine is Cockrell, yours will be Murgatroyd or Roosevelt, or whatever your last name may be. And then we're going to put in the space and the word computers. And then we're going to hit create. And shortly you will see your new computers folder appear. Voila. Next, I'd like for you to go over to the settings icon. This is the settings icon over here in this gear. And we're going to click on Download Drive. For Macs, you're going to hover over Download Drive, and you're going to hit Mac. We'll go over PC in just a second. You're going to click on that, agree and download, and you're going to download that. You come over here and you will see that it is downloading. Alternatively, for PCs, what you want to do is click on the Keep button down on the lower left corner of the screen, and then once your file is downloaded, you want to click on that file, and this will begin the installation process. For people with Macs, you'll click on that same file marked with the .dmg, and this will begin the installation process. Next pops a splash screen, and you will click on that triangle, the color triangle, and literally drag it into the applications folder. And this, for Macs, will begin its installation process.